The problem is that undocumented students are not getting a higher education because right after high school they realize that they cannot get money from the government and cost of college is too much for them to pay for. 61% of undocumented students have an annual household earning of below 30,000, what makes it even harder to pay for college because their parents aren't making enough money. 87.9% of undocumented students say the cost of the number one contributor when it comes to making a decision about going to college. 13 out of 64,000 undocumented students who graduate high school and enroll in college, that is only 20%. Not even a quarter of undocumented immigrants go to college, and almost 90% of them who plan on going get stopped because of the cost. The government proposed the DREAM Act, which helped undocumented students a path a pathway to provide a legal status to children who were brought here at a young age. This helps students become eligible for financial aid and get more scholarships to help pay for college. But there is also a disadvantage to it. It isn't easy to get picked. There is a constant way to get accepted for it because of the many undocumented students applying for it. The DREAM Act will provide undocumented students more jobs, more financial aid to pay for college. An app called the Dreamers Roadmap is an app to help students find scholarships specifically for undocumented students to help access more money for college because the DREAM Act is strict and needs specific qualifications. Undocumented students need to commit to finding scholarships and do their research on the scholarships that they do qualify for. They can also keep up with the law and knowing your rights. They can also reach out to other dreamers because they know what it's like and they can be very helpful. What needs to be done is the government should do background checks on undocumented students because the government thinks that students will take advantage of the opportunity of financial aid. They should also look at transcripts to see if an undocumented student is committed for college. This can be paid off by the schools.